everybody, it's me again, and this time I thought I would bring a Colourpop order. I wanted to try their foundation and their foundation sticks and their setting powder and everything that's sort of new that have come out. And basically I don't like the way Colourpop run their business, because they charged me £15 for tax, and then I got charged another £18 something for tax again, or VAT as we call it in the UK. I said I was never going to buy off their website again, but I got suckered in because I wanted to try the foundation. Now yes guys, I know I'm late to the game, and you hear so much good stuff about it, so this way I was just like, I know what, let's put an order in and see what I can get. But yeah, next time I'm not falling down the rabbit hole of Colourpop anymore. So let's get down to me applying these Colourpops, and it is all Colourpop. I've gone back to my old eyeshadows and things like that, but everything else is new. And if it's not, I tell you it's not. Yeah, let's get around to applying this makeup. I have got the All Star Matte Blur Primer. And we'll see if it blurs. I think I put a little bit too much on. Feels nice. It has got a smell, but it's not a horrible smell. I can't tell you what it smells like. I know what I'm trying to say, guys. I really do. So then I brought the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. This is in the colour. Now, when you go onto Colourpop websites, they ask for, you can do like a quiz. And basically I can't remember what it asks first, but it asks you something first. And then it asks you, what colour are you in a certain foundation's colour. And basically the only one that I could put in was, I know in MAC that I'm NC20, that's what I went for, but it was, I know in MAC if I go in for one foundation in NC20 it's going to fit me. If I went in for a different foundation for MAC, NC20 is still my colour. So that's what I put into it. And this is the colour they gave me. It looks darker in here, and this is the colour Light 07. I'm just gonna try it, I suppose. Oh, there you go. And I'm pumping it onto my finger. So oh, I don't think this is going to match. I'm going to use my beauty blender and just going to look orange again today. This is not at all my shade. Oh guys, I did also get, which there's no way I can wear this, no way on earth. So I'm just gonna take this one off and try again. I'm not looking like I've been tangoed. So going back in with the primer, and I got the No Filter stick in, because I also did the same test for the stick. So I'm hoping that's not orange. This is in Fair 07 Neutral, Light 07. So we'll try this one. This looks just as dark. Oh, it's not as bad. So we stick ones, I don't use my beauty blender because it's really hard. So I'm just going to get my foundation brush and so why it's come out with two different colours, I don't know. I put the same colour chart in. So So extremely low coverage, guys, on the first one. So I'm going to go back in with more. So for me, this is, as you can see, it's very light for me. I'm hoping that it'll oxidize. This is definitely light coverage. I feel like I've got foundation on. Still tacky. And I got the concealer that they suggested as well. Fair 04. So this looks promising. But I don't like this, but I'm just not going to put as much on as I used to do. See, I find with this it's very low coverage as well. Done much from my bag. But I did get this Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. I have looked at this and this scared me because I thought it was translucent. Yeah, it is. This seems to have a colour to it, but we shall see. We'll put it to the test. Now normally I'd use my beauty blender because it's actually covered in the other foundation. I'm just going to take my powder brush, powder under my eyes, that way, so cheater's way. So that's gone on nice. I can feel powder. It's not cakey. It is sitting on top of my skin. Yeah, definitely sitting on top of my skin. I haven't got one of their bronzers and I haven't got eyebrow. So I'm just going to use my trusty old faithful to bronze, which is the KIKO one. I've got the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Drop of a Hat. Beautiful colour, and I was like, this would be nice for winter, even though it's coming to summer. I don't know what I think these things. That's what it looks like, guys. So it is a shiny one. So I always start at the back because I don't like it on the apples of my cheeks, because then I do look silly. Okay, I was expecting more intensity. Oh, that looks better. But you see, in real life that's not as dark as what it is there. It is nice and shiny. It's a nice blusher, but would I use it? But would I use it again? Might actually be nice in the summertime. I didn't get a new highlighter because I've got quite a few of theirs, so I'm going to put lunch money on. Here we go. I knew I'd not got the right brush. Yeah, and you have to sort of stab it in. And I'm just going to set my face with the All-Star Matte Plus Blur Face Setting. It smells. I recognise the scent, but I don't know what it is. I'm just going to go in with some of the Colourpop shadows, create a look, but I'll probably speed this part up because I've used these before. These are my Colourpop. These are the Colourpop shiny ones. So all over my lid I'm just going to put Cornelius. Sort of, that's my base colour. I've got no primer on because don't think they do them. And this is just more like my skin tone. Through my crease, I'm going to put Bandit. And these blend like a dream. Then on the outer part, I'm going in with Mittens. And you really don't have to do a lot of work with these. It's like place, blend, place, blend. Then I think I'm going to put this green one on. This one's called Moonwalk. This is really nice. Taking the first brush that you used with no extra product on, and I'm just gonna sort of, so they're like more seamless. That's really nice. Just gonna run some of that colour of the brown underneath. A nice, quick, easy look. So guys, I'm gonna go off, put my brows on and mascara, and I'll be back. So guys, I'm back after doing my brows, and I'm going to take the colour Rainbow and put it in my inner part of my eyes and on my brow bone. I have got one of the lipsticks, and I've got liquid lipsticks, and I've got the lippy pens, but I haven't got a lipstick, so I actually went and got Scorpion Moon. This is Scorpion Moon, and I think it's one with Kathleen Lights. I'm not too sure, I just like the colour. This is the colour. I love the fact that it comes like this. Definitely a matte formula, but it's so it glides on easily. That's nice. So apart from the disaster at the beginning, everything looks nice. The eyeshadows are the eyeshadows. I've had them, and I've obviously used some of them before, not all of them. But for me, this is, I don't think there's anything that I bought recently apart from the concealer, because I know I don't like it because it creases like I don't know what on there. But apart from that, everything has been good. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. A little bit look into more Colourpop pop stuff. You can get it to the UK, and now they put the VAT on at their end. But just be careful, because I got charged VAT again at this end, and I'm having to dispute it. So just be careful on that point. Also, if you're new to this channel, would love you to hit the subscribe button, tap that bell, and it'll let you know when I bring a video out. Also, any comments below, would love to hear them. Oh, that went really bright. That's the sun. I've literally got the sun on me. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.